Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a good morning and that you've eaten a good breakfast. Let's get started with our calendar today. We're going to start with our good morning song. So we need 2 hands and 2 fingers. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Now let's look up here, my friends. We are in the month of June now. We spell June with a J-U-N-E. June. And we are in the year 2020. 2020. So yesterday was Monday. Monday. Today is Tuesday. Very good. Today is Tuesday. And what number do we say after 2? 1. Oh, I meant after 1. I just said it. The answer is 2. That is the number that comes next. 1, 2. Very good. Now let's look up here at the pattern that we're going to be making. So we started with the color green. What color is next? That's right. It's purple. Purple. So Miss Sarah's going to color in the calendar. Purple. Very good, you guys. Let's say the date. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Good job, you guys. So now what we're going to go over is our lesson plan for today. So today on our lesson plan, we have the songs for our Group 3 Jolly Phonics. Those were sung by Miss Sarah. We've sung them in class together with the Jolly Phonics, but Miss Sarah was really kind and she grouped them individually with props. That was so awesome of her. She really did a good job and we really appreciate that. And then also today we have the students writing their first and last name, just like we always do. For math today, we're going to practice counting objects up to 25 today. Today we are practicing up to count 25. If your child is struggling to 25, go in increments 10, 15, 20, 25. Social studies, we have a video today. And for recess today, it's really, really nice out. So if you can get in the backyard or just sitting on the porch, whatever your comfortability is, please do so. Otherwise, our recess today is just a quiet activity for 10 minutes inside or outside, whichever you're most comfortable with. You could play soft music, color, lay down, whatever you want to do. Socially, emotionally today, just again, we're focusing on that job, responsibility, making sure that they're following through. Give them reminders, but also make sure that they're doing the job with the expectations that you guys have laid out. Remember, jobs could be tidying up their bedroom in the morning after they wake up, turning off the lights when they leave a room, putting their dishes in the sink, whatever job you think that your child could benefit from. Remember, if you have any trouble or any concerns, comments, or questions, please reach out to me and Miss Lily. We will get those resources to you or help you as much as we can. Be safe, everybody. See you soon.